Like any pet owner, we worry about our butts when we leave for the day. That's where Pebby comes in, so you can keep the fun going and going. Use the app to drive it remotely, to interact with your pet even when you're not there. With a frame made from durable polycarbonate, Pebby can go anywhere. Slobber? No problem. Not even a scratch. Using the motion sensor collar, Pebby is able to track your dog's activity and give you vital information about her mobility and health in the palm of your hand. And when you're done playing, just place Pebby in its wireless charging bay, and it plugs itself in. Pebby was designed to be a powerful, customizable tool for pet owners on the go who still want to be actively engaged with their pets and stay on top of their pet's health. Pebby comes equipped with a wide-angle camera to capture every moment in glorious, stabilized HD, easily share footage on social media, and keep your pet guessing with built-in lasers that pets will love.
We are working very hard to bring Pebby to market, and with your support, we can make Pebby even better.
Our developers are crafting a frame that is even stronger, electronics that are more robust, and a battery life that lasts all day.
With your support, we give pet owners worldwide a new way to connect and more fun at playtime.
Please support us on Kickstarter.
This is the SmartFeeder from PetNet, your feeding companion. Control your pet's feedings from your smartphone and get notifications like feeding times, meal confirmations, and food supply. Manage feeding times and portion sizes, making sure your pets are well fed. Match your pet with ideal food recipes and gain insightful feedback to ensure your pet is getting just the right amount of food. And convenient delivery brings pet food right to your doorstep, so you never have to worry about running out of food ever again. The PetNet SmartFeeder. Healthy pets.
Does your dog turn feeding time into a giant mess? Or does your kitty drop crumbs around that aren't so pretty? It's time to make mealtimes mess-free. Introducing Twisty Dish from JML, the incredible 2-in-1 pet bowl and placemat that locks into place and sticks to the floor, so it won't move. Amazing! Now your best friend can enjoy their favorite dish spill-proof and clutter-free. When they're done, just twist off. It's that easy. Traditional bowls can be a disaster waiting to happen, but Twisty Dish can handle kick after kick after kick, and nothing gets on the floor. The magic is in the 2-in-1 interlocking dish and placemat that securely attaches to the floor and lifts up with ease. It's so strong it can pick up this heavy table, yet peel off without any hassle. No more struggling with ordinary bulky dishes that spill and ruin your floors. Just twist on and the mess is gone. Ordinary bowls slip and slide across the floor, but with Twisty Dish, your pets and their food stay in one place. Twisty Dish comes in 3 sizes for any size pet, from kittens to the whole puppy gang and even the largest pets. So no more flipping over or running away with the dog dish, and no more bulky bowls and messy spills. Just twist and lock into place for mess-free mealtimes with Twisty Dish.
Hello, I'm Chuck Martin, General Manager of Innovation here at Bissell. At Bissell, we know pets and the messes they make around the home. And when it's time to bathe them, the messes, they get even bigger. We focus on cleaning up the messes that life brings, including the pet messes. Now we're bringing these insights to the dog bathing process. The Bissell BarkBath truly is the next generation of bathing your dog, a faster, easier, and less messy way. Bissell's strengths are really around understanding the consumer and the needs of the consumer, especially the pet parent. And we know pets, we know how pets interact with the household and the messes that they make in a home. And we realized that people are very frustrated with the bathing process. And we took a look at that and we thought, well, if we're cleaning up after the dogs when they come into the house and they leave spots and stains on the carpet and upholstery, and we're never really addressing the animal itself that is dirty. So we started taking a look at the technology and the knowledge we had of both pets and cleaning, and we found this great new idea and this new concept about bathing your animal anywhere in your home. So marrying the insights that we have around the consumer experience and around the consumer with the engineering knowledge is the perfect match, because we know pets, we know pet parents, we know messes, we know dirt. BarkBath is really important because it gives the consumer a new way, outside of their traditional way of bathing, to actually bathe their dog anywhere in their home that they want, whenever they want. What it also allows people to do is clean more frequently.
In 10 minutes I can have all 3 dogs, just a slight cleaning, and the smell goes away and everything. I mean, it works great. You could actually bathe your dog every other day if you wanted to, and it wouldn't be a chore. Where before it was a chore to bathe 3 dogs.
You can use it in your kitchen, and just within less than 10 minutes you can wash your dog. This is different because we're actually changing the way that you wash the animal. Normally you would wash from the fur down, and what we're doing is we're cleaning from the skin up. That's how we can actually use less water. Because in a traditional bathtub method of washing your dog, you use about 19 gallons of water to wash an 80-pound dog. We use less than 48 ounces of water because we're much more efficient at the process. So our no-rinse shampoo is really unique because it doesn't have a lot of the harsh chemicals that other shampoos might. And it's really safe and effective on the animal.
Are you going to give yourself a bath? It was perfect. There was no mess, and that was about an hour shorter than what it would have taken me to give him a normal bath. So it was great. And he dried a lot faster. Yes, such a good boy.
When I first saw the product, I thought that there was no way that this was actually going to work on Oreo. She just got too much hair. It really, really worked good.
It's better for the homeowner because they'll use a lot less water. It's better for the homeowner because they won't have to wrestle the dog to get him in and out of the bathtub. And it really delivers on the promise that it's supposed to give to the pet parent, which is, we're going to take care of your dog in a way that's never been done.